This is kind of exciting. So this is unboxing the new Dufrane Littlefiled GMT. I just got the box just now. So this is all the paperwork. And then it comes packaged in this really nice leather to-go pouch. Let's open it up. See, pull out, oh, we got leather strap here. Nice leather straps with the easy release system. And then the watch. I got the blue dial. It also comes with a black dial. I wanted the blue dial watch. But this is really stunning. I think beautiful face. You can see how it reflects and kind of has that brushed look on it. Bi-directional bezel. Quick. Let's take all the plastic off of it. But you know, quick release, clasp. That's nice. I'll have to go in and size it here in a second, but you can kind of see how it looks on the wrist. So anyways, just got it. Wanted to do a quick opening of it. I'll play around with the watch and do a full review on the blog here in the next couple of weeks.